Hello folks, this is Tony Prado, Director of Communications for Newcastle County Government. I'm here for NCCTV at Glasgow Park. We just experienced the biggest snowstorm of the 2016 winter season. Some people are calling it the blizzard of 2016. Others are calling it Jonas. I'm partial to that one. And if you'll pardon the pun, this is the hottest place in Newcastle County right now. This is the place to be if you want to sled. There's all kinds of people here sledding, having a ball. We're going to talk to some of them. Let's go check it out. All right, tell us your names and where you're from.
Tom Ciaforta from Appleby Road. This is my son Tommy. Where are you from?
From
Appleby Road.
Appleby Road in Newcastle.
All right, well, you are out here with the hundreds of people enjoying the sledding in the wake of winter storm Jonas. There's a lot of snow, and you know, Tom, you were telling me that this is something you guys do every year. You know, when it snows like this.
This is the most crowded I've ever seen in here. We come here in the summer. We go to the skate park as well, and I'm just glad that they built this mound of dirt here. It seems to work out good for snowboarding and sledding.
And what do you think about all this, Tommy?
I like it. I like to come here every year, and it's really fun. I make new friends and everything like that.
Now they say school is off tomorrow. Do you plan on coming back here or what?
If it's off, yeah.
If it's off, I'll probably be here.
You like the sound of that?
Sledding with my friends and stuff.
Now, where is the main? Where's the best part to slide? Right here behind us, like on this side, or on the other side of this hill?
I think it's really back there. Well, there's not much people, and it's a nice hill. Yeah.
This side over here has the whoops though. There's like a bump on that side at the bottom of the hill.
Awesome. Well, Tom and Tommy, those are all my questions, unless there was anything else you wanted to add.
Did you get a shot of the fountain over here they just added?
I'll have to do that.
Yeah, because you can fish over here too in the summer, I heard.
Yeah.
That's awesome. It's got 2 fountains.
Yeah, as a matter of fact, I was here to film. County Executive Thomas P. Gordon and Councilman David Tackett, they came in our Special Services Department. They stocked it with catfish, bluegill, and there was one other largemouth bass, I believe. And yeah, the fish are beautiful. I mean, if you want to swim, if you want to go fishing during the springtime.
Yeah, we're so thankful for those guys, Tom Gordon and Dave Tackett. This is awesome here. The skate park is unbelievable.
All right, tell us your names and where you're from.
I'm Devin Ayers, and I'm from Bear, Delaware.
I'm Daviana Mirasanders from Bear, Delaware.
All right, well, we just experienced Winter Storm Jonas, an impressive snowstorm. Other people are calling it the blizzard of 2016. Do you come out to Glasgow Park every time it snows like this?
Yes, pretty much we do.
Is it the best place around to sled?
Probably.
All right, how long have you guys been out here?
I've been out here for about half an hour.
How about you?
Hour.
An hour? How much longer are you going to stay out here?
I really don't know. Until my mom wants to go home, probably.
Daddy, I want one of those. What is
Well, are you glad you finally got the snowstorm
Yeah.
that we've been waiting for this winter?
Yeah.
Yes.
The very first one.
Now they're saying we're not going to have school tomorrow. What are you going to do?
Probably come back here.
Yeah, come back over and go, where y'all sledding? All right.
All right. Well, thank you very much, guys.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You supposed to say yay.
Yay!
Yay!
All right. Tell us your names and where you're from.
My name's Zombie and we're from Bear, Delaware. My name's Trika and we're also from Bear, Delaware.
All right. We finally got the biggest snowstorm for 2016. Some people are calling it the blizzard of 2016. Other people are calling it Jonas, whatever you prefer. First of all, what do you think about this snowstorm we had? It was quite impressive, no?
This has been, I think, the biggest snowstorm we've had in Delaware. It's really cool because like we can go sledding and have a lot of fun. And I come here like every year, and this seems like we've had the most fun this year.
All right. So, is Glasgow Park your favorite place to sled?
Kind of the only place I sled, so yeah, I like it here. It's fun. Like I only sled here too, but we've been up in the Poconos too. But this one's more fun because I can just do whatever I want to do.
All right. They're saying school is off tomorrow in Newcastle County. Do you think you'll be back here? What do you think you're going to do?
Probably going to be back here all day. Same.
All right. Well, that's all my questions, unless there was anything else you wanted to add.
I'm so excited to be on TV. Same.
Tell us your names and where you're from.
My name's Jonas. I'm from Newark, Delaware. I'm Jerry, and I'm from New York.
I'm Shantae, and this is Sarah. We're from Wilmington, Delaware.
All right. Well, we just got hit by the snowstorm called Jonas. Some people are calling it the blizzard of 2016. First of all, are you glad to finally see a big winter snowstorm like this?
Yes, I am.
Now, Glasgow Park, it's a very popular spot right now for sledding. Is this a place that you come to a lot for sledding each winter?
Yes, we come every year. Every year, actually, we just moved to Smyrna, so we drove all the way down from Smyrna, Delaware, just to come to this park.
All right. What is it about this spot right here that is so good for sledding?
It's the hill. You can sled down either side of the hill. There's no other place that I know of in Delaware that has a hill so big and steep.
All right, so you think we got the best spot right here?
Yes.
Definitely.
All right, how long have you guys been here today?
Maybe 20 minutes. We just got here.
All right, well, how long do you plan on staying? Until you get too cold or hungry? Which one?
Probably both.
I say cold.
All right. All right, you guys come out here in the summertime too, or?
Every now and then to jog around the trail, but winter's the best.
Nice. Well, thanks so much for talking to NCC TV. We really appreciate it.
And thank you for having us.
Take care.
Tell us your names and where you're from.
My name's Zombie, and we're from Bear, Delaware.
My name's Tarika, and we're also from Bear, Delaware.
All right, we finally got the biggest snowstorm for 2016. Some people are calling it the blizzard of 2016. Other people are calling it Jonas, whatever you prefer. First of all, what do you think about this snowstorm we had? It was quite impressive, no?
This has been, I think, the biggest snowstorm we've had in Delaware.
It's really cool because we can go sledding and have a lot of fun. And I come here every year, and this seems like we've had the most fun this year.
All right, so is Glasgow Park your favorite place to sled?
Kind of the only place I sled, so yeah, I like it here.
It's fun. I only sled here too, but we've been up in the Poconos too, but this one's more fun because I can just do whatever I want to do.
All right, they're saying school is off tomorrow in Newcastle County. Do you think you'll be back here? What do you think you're going to do?
Probably going to be back here all day.
Same.
All right. Well, that's all my questions, unless there was anything else you wanted to add.
I'm so excited to be on TV.
Same.
All right, folks, well, there you have it. Whether you're going to Rockwood Park up in Brandywine 100 or Carousel Park because you're in Hocassin or Pike Creek, or any other of your favorite sledding spots around Newcastle County, not to mention Kent and Sussex counties, there's all kinds of places to come out and have fun sledding here in the great state of Delaware. This is Tony Prado for NCC TV. Once again, thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for all your local news and information on Newcastle County, Delaware.